How to download and update the Realtek SD audio driver on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Do you want to download or update your SD drivers for the Realtek? If so, here is a quick fix. So for this, you can download the Realtek's SD audio driver by opening any of your favorite browser. Once you do so, type in Realtek SD audio driver along with the word TechSpot. Once you do it, you will see an official link by the TechSpot. Tap on the first link for the audio codec driver. Hereby, you will see the latest version for the Windows Vista as well as Realtek SD audio codec driver. Make sure that you select on the relative drivers or related drivers. Likewise, you can download it for the Windows All, 64-bit only, 32-bit only or XP 2000. Scrolling down a bit, you will also get the installation instructions as well. So once you have clicked on download now button, it will download .exe file or the zip file. After that, you just have to extract all of the files and then tap on next button to continue the procedure. And finally, you just have to restart the system and press finish to complete the installation. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.